Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to show you how I've made this faux stepper card. I have quite a few on the channel now. As I've said before, they're really popular because of how easy they are to make. So that's how it all looks on the side. This one is a Christmas one. I've actually made this as a sample for Creative Stamping magazine, which will now be out. So I'll have all of that product and all the information will be linked below the video. But it's really, really simple. It doesn't have to be Christmas. It can be anything you like. You've got that nice big panel in the middle to have a big sentiment or maybe a milestone number. You know, you can add anything you want to these. You've got all your space on the back as well, and this one will all fold down and fit into a 6x6 envelope. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, so because this is a magazine commission, I'll be working in metric, so in centimeters today, but I will have the imperial measurements coming up along the top. So you want to cut yourself a piece of 29 centimeters by 15. So along that long side you're going to score it 2.5, 5, 10, 15 and 22 centimeters. You then want to do a mountain fold, valley fold, mountain, valley, mountain. So you'll see you've got these tiered steps on the front. This last one's going to be the back. So that's how it's going to look. And then this piece here, so this is 30 centimeters, just about, and you want to score it 15. So right down through the middle and fold that in half. You can alter that if you want it a little bit shorter. The piece that I've stamped and stuck on the front is 10 by 14 centimeters. So that's just a cute little card on its own. Okay, then you want to decorate these 3 front panels here. You can decorate all of them if you want, but I'm just going to focus on these 3. Now with these ones here, I've just scored them using my scoreboard just to give me a bit of texture, just a, you know, fun pattern that you can create. You don't need any embossing folders or anything. Just pop it in your scoreboard and just score along every track. So this one to go on the very back is 6.5 ish by 14.5. I think I must have cut that one a bit shorter, but yeah, you can see how that's going to fit in the back there. And then this one is 4.5 by, again, 14.5. And then this one here is 2, again, by 14.5. So I'm going to stick those all down first. So when you've stuck it down, just give it a really good burnish so you get those nice folds there and it stands out really nicely. Next we want to stick this one down, so you're going to stick it across the back, over this one and over this one, and it's going to attach. You'll see that's the profile, side profile of it. So I'm just going to add a little glue along the bottom here, covering about 1 inch, and again along the front there. I'm actually going to stick the front in first, so I'm going to go in here, right down into the fold. Ooh. And you want to make sure that you've got the same amount. So it's about, yeah, 2 centimeters. So whatever, you know, width you've done yours, because I've got that playlist, you might be doing a different one. So 2, there we go. And then just fold that all up inside and then fold that one down. And make sure that's all nice and, there we go, nice and straight. Okay, so whilst that's drying, I've got all of these pieces here which I have stamped and coloured in. This is the stamp set here. So on one side you've got your snow globe, which is by Creative Stamping, and then this side you've got another snow globe. This is by Studio Light. It's designed by Laurens van Gerp. Hopefully I've said that correctly. And when I was laying this all out, I thought it looked quite nice having one tree on the front there, and then should I do them there and a little bit of foam, or maybe 2 on that side. I've coloured these using my coloured pencils, and then I've just used my accent glaze to add a little bit of shine. That one was going to go just up there. Little bow I thought would look quite cute there, and then the snowman on that side, so he matches the snowman there. And then I've got the presents as well. I might not use Father Christmas, in fact no, I'll probably pop him on the back. So I'm going to get these all stuck down and then I'll show you when it's finished. So that's the card all finished. So I've changed it a little bit. I've actually, on the back, I've added the other Christmas tree and the Santa there. And then on the front, I've popped that other one just behind there. I think it looks really nice. I'm going to just add a little bit of my glaze, because there isn't actually anything shiny on the snow globe itself. So I thought maybe adding some glaze onto the snow on the trees. So just dabbing it on just in areas there. It all dries clear, so I'm not too worried about getting it precise. You can see now the shine that gives as well on the snow globe. You could also turn it into a shaker, that would look really good as well. So I hope you like this faux stepper card that I'm sharing with you today. As always, all the product that I've used will be shared in the description box below the video. I'll have some more of my faux stepper cards coming up now, and I would have shared the playlist as well probably at some point in the video. If you've enjoyed today, please give me a thumbs up, because it really does help out the channel. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. See you all again soon. Bye.